How's it going, everyone? My name is Spraychelangelo, and for those of you who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting. And today, I'm sure you guessed just by looking at the title, I'm going to be making something extremely awesome. Not only am I making something that is really awesome, I am making all of it. Yes, I'm making all of it. I am making all of the Marvel superheroes that exist, that Stan Lee created, and I'm starting off with making the Avenger. It's not just going to be the Avengers. It's going to be Blade. For those of you who don't know who Blade is, he's a vampire. Superheroes that are not really common nowadays. You have to read the comics in order to know who they are. But yes, I'm going to be making every single Marvel superhero that there is. Hopefully every Marvel superhero that there is. I don't really know. And we're starting off with Black Panther. Also, guys, I am very sorry that I didn't get to post anything this week because I was so busy making all these superhero stencils. So I'm sorry about that. I'll do my best to minimize my limit of how many stencils I can make a day. So thank you guys so much for being patient with me. I highly suggest you subscribe to my YouTube channel because you guys do not want to miss any of the cool stuff that I'm about to make. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment on what I should do as I'm making these superheroes. I will go back and forth in between making what you guys want to make, making what I want to make, making superheroes, that type of stuff. It's not going to be the same stuff over and over again. Share with your friends and family. Let's get to the video. Wakanda forever. Let's get painting, guys. You guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe now so you can get notified for every spray painting that I make. Comment on what I should do, share with your friends and family. Now's a good time to subscribe if you're a Marvel fan, trust me, because I'm going to be making more of superheroes like these. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.